Alright fellas, welcome back to the channel. This is Mike, living with 3M, and I thought we would do an evening video just so you could see my Mick tuning rock lights, but that's not what the video is really about. The reason I'm making this in the dark basically is to kind of instruct you guys, show you how to change the air filter on the Coyote V8. Mine's a 2016 F-150, but I'm sure it's pretty much the same for several years of the Coyote. So with that being said, let's change the air filter almost in the dark. We'll have a little bit of light, but I'll just show you guys how easy it is. Okay, so we've got a little bit of light to work with from the shop lights here, but all right, we're gonna pop the hood. All right, and anything about it, there's my lights lighting up down there. Here's your air box. Driver's side, I mean, it's really self-explanatory to where it's at. I mean, I'm looking dead on it right there. So if I can do it in the dark, you can do it. So we're setting a new trend, working on trucks in the dark. So if we can't screw them up, we will certainly try. So no, I'm just kidding, guys. You know me better than that. Now, I've paid some people to screw stuff up, but I don't think I've ever screwed anything up of mine on my own. But basically, let's there's the air box. That's the factory air box. All right, come around here. Yes sir, grab the replacement air filter. And I don't get picky. I don't care if it's motorcraft, whatever, because the truck, mine is not really a daily driver, so I don't really worry too much. I know the filters, usually most of them are made by Wix filters. So, all right, there we go, the brand new filter. I'll give you a shot of the old one coming out. Okay, but how do we get this thing out? Well, actually, you just feel around right here, and you've got some clips that pop. And see, felt one already, watch. There it is. You've got several, just feel around the edge, and when they all let loose, there's another one. See, I mean, it's really simple. So we'll take, I don't know how many there are. I'll put the camera down, 3 or 4, maybe 5 clips. Lift that up, remove the old air filter, and replace it. Wow, just as soon as I cut the camera off and put it down, it pops straight up. So, to be honest, there's only 2 clips that hold it in place. So you can see right here, I'm holding it up. We're changing this in the dark kind of on purpose to show you how easy it is. And oh yeah, she's dirty. All right. Oh yeah, she's dirty. Yeah, big difference. I'll try and set it over here in the light, let you guys see. Versus the new one. Yeah, huge difference. And in the cracks and crevices, there's leaves and sticks and all kinds of junk. So, okay. Now, mind you, I'm holding the camera with one hand. So, I'm doing this one-handed in the dark. So, we lay that down there. Lift this up. There it is. Look at that. Right down in there. All right. So now we push that. I will need my other hand to put these clips back on, but you got 2 up front right here. In the back, there's just 2 little tabs that slide under. That's it, guys. So this video is all about changing your air filter in the dark. It's that easy. All right, guys. That's it for Legend. I'm Mike, living with 3M. It's cold out here. I know I look like a damn cat burglar. But anyhow, There it is. There's the lights underneath. We did the air filter tonight. So guys, if you will, please, just subscribe to the channel. I come out with new material. Right now we're doing Vlogmas. I'm doing it daily, but normally I try to come out with something, at least a video a week. So if you guys will, smash that like button, make that thumbs up go blue, subscribe to the channel, and I do appreciate it. Thanks guys, catch you in the next video.